Alright people, if y'all buy this amp, it's making a weird noise. Listen, y'all hear that? I got it on pause. I haven't played any music yet. But listen to this weird noise that this amp is making. Excuse the mess, I just did installation. It sounds pretty decent, but if it wasn't for that noise, this would be a decent amp. But that noise coming from that amp, Soundstream, y'all need to do a better job with your product. Yeah, Soundstream, do a better job next time.